Okay, here we are with the Remington 700 Tactical, chambered in a 308, suppressed. What we're going to do is we're going to do some testing on sound signature. What we're going to do is we're going to set up a camera here at the shooter's position and a camera at 100, 200, and 300 yards. And that's to show you guys the sound signature of the suppressor. What we're going to do is at each distance we're going to shoot 3 rounds. 1 suppressed supersonic, 1 suppressed subsonic, and 1 supersonic unsuppressed at each distance. So let me go ahead and get set up here, and so we can start doing the testing. Okay, first round we're going to do is going to be 168 supersonic unsuppressed. Okay, next round we're going to do 168 grain supersonic suppressed. Next round we're going to do 220 grain subsonic suppressed. So this is subsonic. Okay, this is our 200-yard testing. Okay, this is our 300-yard testing. Okay, we just finished shooting our sound signature testing with this Remington 700 suppressed. I just wanted to show the viewers how much of a difference a suppressor does make. On another video we did a point of impact, and it did change point of impact, so that's very important for people to know. But most of all, in this video we wanted to show a sound signature and how important it is to shoot suppressors and how much fun they are. You can see where there's limited amount of recoil, to the point also the sound signature where you don't have to use ear protection. So they're very, very fun. So we really appreciate you guys seeing our videos. We got more coming, so stay tuned to see our new videos.